today to my So Studios, and we have a guest today, Mr. Honey Bunny. Introduce yourself.
Hey, how you doing today, guys? And in today's video, we are going to unbox the Zuru 5 surprise mini brands. So let's get started.
Yeah, well, this is our haul from Walmart. We went grocery shopping, and then Honey Bunny found some mini brands, and we considered a haul because there were 12 of these in here, and you cannot find these on the shelf anywhere, at least not where we live. So for us to find a whole box, and we were just going grocery shopping, we call that a haul. And we've already started unboxing. We actually have some that we didn't have before, like we have the donut, we have the warheads, and of course I always show this one because this one is our rare that we had. Oh, it got away from me. It didn't want to be here. And then we found another Mentos. This was the strawberry one, and there was some bacon. I know you don't eat bacon, but yeah, that was really cool to have that. And then we found the little Mentos in the bags and this. So I'm hoping for some mayonnaise, or there was another one I wanted on here. The Dove or anything like that will be really cool. So anything that we don't have already. I almost forgot. Yep. Zuru's came out with their newest edition, and so one day we're gonna have one of these. We don't have them right now, but we're gonna get one of those one day, and we're gonna actually unbox them as soon as we can find them. But I love the gold container. You know, we're gonna recycle. We're gonna do something special with it and turn it into something new. He's an unboxing newbie. He's never unboxed one of these sweetness before. Here, that's for you. I'm just gonna put this off to the side. And let me give you the handy dandy blade. I'm gonna hand it to you, right? There you go.
Try this.
And there's like a little zipper part that you can pull it with your hand.
Just right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just try it. This is my first time, so.
First time unboxing. Woo! Yeah, just all the way down. There is a zipper on these right here. Look, I'll show you. Look, here's a little zipper. But sometimes it doesn't open, sometimes it does. You just pull it off. You want to find your zipper? See a little zipper right there?
Yes.
So there's a little zipper that they have here. You can just, but sometimes it doesn't. It's wrapped pretty tightly. And then you just peel it off.
Okay. I gotta find it.
Yeah, that's why that's why I have a blade. Because sometimes it doesn't come off. Isn't that sweet sound of unboxing mini brands by Zuru? Don't laugh at me. He's always laughing at me because he's always laughing because I get so excited about mini brands. But it just takes that right person to understand Zuru mini brands are so awesome. That's why we have a whole box of them here, right? That we got. And I have a little bit of OCD problem, so I kind of bag them up. And then when we use them in the store, so Nyla can actually go through here and pick out the ones she wants for the store. So we keep them, and these are my favorite. And the Pez are my second favorite because they have the little Pez dispenser. And you actually got a Pez one time, Morty. So now, go ahead. That's probably what you also need the blade for, is this part. So I like to go down one of the open parts. Okay. And be careful, don't cut yourself. Yep. And then you're gonna open it up, and it's gonna have 5 parts in it. And 5 surprises. I feel like you're gonna get a gold, a rare, or like a glow in the dark one. Because we've been doing really well. We don't have a lot of repeats, but we do get a pretty much a good amount of nice ones for ourselves. Okay, so it comes in, you take this little part off. Okay. And the ball, if you take the plastic off, that's all the plastic off. You see it unravels itself. That's the best part. Now, this little part right here is what I love when you hear like that. Oh, that's awesome. And look, you got shells, Bunny. Look there. That's great. So let him unbox his.
What's that?
This is the shells. So you can get shells to use in the store for your store and for your mini brands. Even if you don't have a store, there's shelves you can put together, and there's like decorations. We're gonna put those there because we've already shown those before. Okay. See, it's a little shelf. It gives you directions you put together.
Yeah. Shelves, des étagères. That's good.
Good. And the stickers to put on the front.
You want me to open another one?
Yeah, let's hear that sound.
Okay.
Hear that sound. Oh, that's so awesome.
Yes. What is this?
What'd you get? Oh, white one. See? You got ones we don't have. Yes, the white Mentos. We don't have that yet. I'm going to put your little stash right here.
Next one.
That's the ones that we already received. I'm gonna put him over because he didn't really come in that box.
Oh, what's that? So.
Oh, those are the warheads.
Super sour.
Yeah, sour warheads. So those, we have plenty of those. We're gonna put that there. That's not something we don't have, so we're gonna put them over there.
So.
Well, which one are you on now? Number 4? You get 5 surprises in your 5 surprise mini brand. Oh, bacon. We have that one. We'll put that there. But you did get one we don't have, which is the white Mentos.
And the last one is.
What you have? Is that caramel? And I like that they come sometimes, Honey Bunny. They come in this little plastic. I don't know. I guess to keep it from going around. But we don't have that one. Dolce caramel. Dolce de caramel. So we don't have that one either. Look at there. You did well. Let's do another one.
Okay.
Isn't it fun?
Yes.
And you don't have to use a blade, but we use the blade because it just makes it easier to get in and get that plastic off. You just do one. You can do one. We have to do all of them.
Okay.
All right. I'll take the blade back. Trash out of the way.
Okay.
And then remember, take this little top part off so they can unravel. That's the fun part.
Second one. Let's see what.
Yay! What's in there? Oh, we don't have that either. It's the Edge. You're getting mint products. That's cool. You're getting the mint products. I love it. Oh, and I don't know. Zuru loves these things. There is a lady that goes off about the fact that you spend so much money and you get so many repeats, and that they need to do better about how they put them in there. I mean, she is hilarious, but I do feel that way too. So after a while, you know, when you're doing a store for the Barbies, it's great. But when you're spending all that money, you don't want to see that many repeats. I mean, you expect to see some, but not that many. So look, we have a whole bag. I mean, where's that bag at? Look at this bag. We have a whole bag of those things. So yeah.
The next one is.
Oh, that's your little guide that's in there?
Yes.
So use your guide so you can know what's rare. What do you have in there?
Mentos?
Yep, you have another Mentos. We have a ton of those. That makes 4, I think, now. But that's okay. That's okay. It's okay.
Okay, good. Is this a cupcake?
Oh, the cupcakes. That's cool. We don't have too many of those. I'm gonna put it here because we have a repeat. So these are repeats. Put those there.
And the last one.
Bring this back. Yes. Got really far up.
Okay.
Oh, we have another one. So that makes number 2.
Yeah, we have a Mentos.
Number 2. All right. So that
it was the same bowl?
Yeah, well, no, they weren't. They were in separate ones. So each one has a different one. And then we take these because we reclaim and make cool little projects out of them. So at the end of this video, you'll see a link where you can see where I turned this into a little carousel. And it's really cool because I don't want to you can't just recycle them, but we do reclaim art because we are art channel also, not just unboxing toys and things. And that makes that really cool. So I'll let you put that over there. So that makes, let's see. We have 4 more left because we already did some. There was 12 in here.
This time I will let you open this.
I get to open it? Well, I'm going to hold that one. So you know what you can do? You can actually go ahead and zip and take the plastic off for me. And that'll make it a lot faster.
That's fun, really.
I like it. Is fun.
I like it. It's my first time, but I like it.
Who knew you come all the way from Morocco to unbox mini brands? Zuru mini brands. Who knew? So this is the part that I use the blade for because I can't ever get this part off. I'm gonna use the blade. Always practice safety with your blades. And you can use scissors too. It's just faster to use the exact blade.
Can I have the blade, please?
Sure. Thank you. So I can share. Sharing is caring, except for COVID. We don't share anymore.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what I love. Like, honey bunny, listen. Watch. Just stop for a second. You gotta hear this part. This is what I love. I don't know why. I like that sound. Take it off. Oh, we don't have this. It's real bacon pieces. And I guess Zuru really likes bacon because they put a whole bunch of bacon products in these things. Let's see what I have for my next one. Oh, Some more caramel. Yay. So it makes 2. We have 2 now. I'm going to put him over here because he is a repeat. The repeats go over there. Let's see. Oh, we have a basket. We love baskets. I think we have like 6 of these now. So we have a basket. And we have to put those in. And they don't take long to put together. It should take a quick minute to put those together. And then let's see. Of course, we get our guide. And I'm taking these and decoupaging them on the walls and the floor of one of the little rooms that we're making. I don't want to waste it. I could just put in a thing. And your favorite, Spam. He loves turkey spam, but this is just regular spam. I don't even think they even come. Maybe the new Zurus, the second one series comes out with a actual new turkey one. And wait, we got one more. And, oh, the donuts again. Yay. So we got stuff. It is a repeat, so we're going to put it over. I'm going to slide that over. Let you have that. Oh, that's right. You hooked me up.
Yep.
Thank you, bunny. Let's throw that over there. And this one is like, I don't know, it's bursting out. I wonder what that could be. It's already coming out. Oh, your other favorite, which is chili with beans.
Yes.
He loves chili with beans.
Yes, this is my favorite.
Yes, it's a repeat, so we're going to put it over there. So let's see if our haul is going to give us enough of new ones. Oh, I don't think we have that one. That's the banana one. It's the banana moon pie. And the reason why I love Zurus is because it looks just like a miniature version of the brand. That's why they call them mini brands. And I mean, if you had a microscope, can you see that? Can you see that?
No.
I can't see it. Our own eyes can't see it. But if you had a microscope, maybe.
Yes, microscope or magnifier would be good.
Magnifier, yeah. And oh, Airheads. Cool. Do they have any of these brands in Morocco?
No.
I know they have Lavash Kiri, which is the Laughing Cow cheese.
Yes, Laughing Cow cheese, that's right.
But do they have like the Suave and Suave little things? None of these? I know they don't have the bacon over there, right? Here's our last one. And our last one, and the Smarties. This is why that lady went off, because you get like, look at all these repeats that we already have. Like, I have a whole bag of Airheads. Where are my Airheads at? Look at this. Whole baggie full of Airheads in here. So I don't know, the Airheads, the Mentos, and whatever one they repeat, the Pez, the Warheads, the Sour Warheads. You'll see a lot of those in there. But we do have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that we didn't have before. And we're getting down to our last one. So these are our last 2. And I think this is so funny. It says return here. Like, I guess you pulled out. I was like, why would they return it? Why wouldn't they take it? I'm taking the whole box.
I love this part now.
You like that part now? It's cool, right? That zipper.
Okay, let me try this.
I don't know why it makes me a little nervous. When I don't have the blade in my hand, I get a little bit nervous. I don't know why. Yeah. You wanna unbox one more?
Okay.
Let's see what kind of luck you have. Unbox one more. Have fun with the Zuru.
Try it.
I've always liked miniature stuff. I realized that when I started getting these for our channel for Sonila, and Sonila couldn't be with us today, so that's why Bunny is filling in. But she loves these also.
Okay, so we get started at what we have here. Oh, so now the chili again.
Chili! We've got tons of chilies, my precious. Yeah. Could you please, my precious, have something cool inside of here?
Oh wow, just something good.
Ah! He got a good bitch! Wow. Are you serious? I told you you were gonna have good luck.
Yes.
Oh, feel that. That's kind of heavy.
Wow.
Feel that.
What is that?
Pez, remember the Pez, the one that pops out the little candies? Remember you said when you were little, you had Pez?
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, so look, you gotta look, and I'm gonna have a zoomed up version of it so you can see it. Wow. But it has glasses on it, it has shades on it.
Wow.
So there's 2 buddies. So now we have 2. Look, they love each other. It's so cute.
So this is rare?
That is rare.
Oh, wow.
That is rare. I knew you were going to get something. That's awesome. You know how hard it is to get a rare? We got a rare.
So,
We got a rare.
Another one?
Let's see what you can do now. Wet ones. We don't have a lot of these. We have one or two of them. We don't have. I love wet ones, especially in Corona.
Yeah.
You want some wet ones.
Don't forget to wash your hands and sanitize them, okay?
Do our part. Wear our mask. We had our mask on. I had my education mask because I'm a teacher, and so I forgot I had it on. Oh, honey, wait. You gotta look. It is strawberry.
It's different.
See, you're doing awesome. We don't have that.
Wow.
So actually, you know what? I put this one back because we don't have banana either. That's not. We don't have a banana one either. So we're doing awesome. We're doing pretty well.
The last one
I'm gonna put the repeats over here. Not that I don't love you, but I have tons of you.
The last one is.
And we have tons of the little Smarties. So we're gonna put that one over there. All right. Tons of the Smarties. Look, I'm gonna show you my Smarties bag. Where's my Smarties bag? Look at that. Look at this. Tons of Smarties. So yeah, no. We'll do that. For the store, it's great, but like I said, when you're collecting, you want to like have something different. But we're doing pretty well. We're happy with what we have. There's some different things in there. And
Some
this
new
right here.
Some new collection, right?
Like the gold ring from. But anyway, my precious. I gotta stop saying that because it's kind of like weird. Because you keep laughing at me every time I say it. But that's what it feels like. Only people that understand that is Zuru mini brand collectors. They get it. Like when you see one, like when I get that infamous gold one. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Then you open the last one.
Okay, let's do this. Let's sharing is caring for us because we're married, so we can do that.
Okay.
We'll split. I'll give you 3, and I'll have 2 because I've already done tons of these.
Okay.
And let's see if that luck
Okay.
will rub off. That beginner's luck. Oh, more shelves.
More shelves.
Well, this is great for the store. So the shelves are great for the store because we needed more of those.
I'm gonna open the
Even though I'm changing the store because it wouldn't stay up on the shelves.
Yeah.
You have to do yours. Bacon. Like you, we have tons of this one too.
Wow.
This one is the bacon. I mean, I love this one because it feels like little ribs and stuff, but we have lots and lots of these.
That looks weird.
All right, go ahead and do your next one. And we're decoupaging these on the floor too, these little pieces. They came with it, the openings.
I think we have this.
Yeah, it's the Smarties. Okay. All right, so last one. Last Zuru. So laugh at me, funny. The last one. You got one?
Yes, we're gonna.
We're going together. You ready?
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3.
And I have. Oh, we don't have this. Is the because we do vegan and vegetarian, so natural peanut butter. We don't have
I
that.
think I have Spam.
We have Spam Light. We only have one of those, so not bad. See? There we go. We're gonna put the Spam over there because we already have that. We're gonna put all of our little precious scissors right here. And I don't know why he wants to sneak in the Smarties. I love Smarties, but I have tons of you guys. And these are the stars. These are the stars. See that? These are rares. And we have Pez, which I absolutely love Pez. So didn't get the other one, the mayonnaise or anything like that, but this is a great substitute. And our Zuru adventure has come to a close.
Yeah.
And we're done because the box is empty. There's nothing in there. They're all gone. But we love Zuru, so we hope that the new one doesn't have as many repeats. I did see somebody open them already. They got some from the company, and there was like 24. Oh wait, we don't have this one. Worms. Yeah. There was like 24 of them, and they didn't have so many repeats. But we're good. We got it. Thank you for joining. We love you. And my So Studio is out.
Have a good day.